Oh yeah. So that one is a normal cha-cha, but you get out with an exit right away. You do one step, cha-cha, out. Now you gotta put your leg on the other side.
This one?
Yeah. And no, this one, let across, no. So it's 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Put the leg in front. Yeah. You gotta bring your partner. If you put this leg forward, right, then you gotta bring your partner all the way to the other side by stepping back.
You see?
The partner comes. So see, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. It's an exit, and then you go back. And then right here, go. Right here, go. Little move. 5. So you go. 1, 2, exit. And you have to go. Exit. Exit. Yeah, then you put. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Pivot. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Again, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now you cannot let it close. You gotta open on the other side right away.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yes. Okay. And then we're gonna do the one going down. So you have like 30 minutes to get this guy. Oh yeah. Yeah, send me by WhatsApp. Stanley. Which Stanley? He's not the light skinned guy.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. I know a Stanley. Okay, now. That's good. Yeah, just redo the moves. As you be doing the moves, you're gonna catch up everything. Yeah. What's up, my boy? Sandra is in the building. Come on. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, body suit is in the building. What's up, body suit? Yaga. Jojo. Body suit Joe. Jojo, I gotta go get that. Give me the cards. The cards. Jojo, body suit Joe is in the building. But let's see what that. I'm just gonna get like 2 hours. I'll get one like this. And one split one. Makes sense. Yeah, give me the big one. Oh no, give me the small phone so that I can try to close. So then the big one. It's good?
No, it's right now.
It's good?
Not anymore, it's fine.
All right.
Okay.
You can stop that because we did 1 hour, right?
Okay.
Yeah. I'll